Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to our Wasabi tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to explore the powerful features of Wasabi Protocol, from NFT trading to yield generation and leverage trading. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So to explore Wasabi, you'll need a wallet. I'll be using Bitget Wallet for the purpose of this video. So let's open our Bitget application. Then let's click Discover at the screen bottom. Next is to input the URL, which is wasabi.xyz. Wasabi. Ensure the URL is correct. Let's click the visit link, redirecting. So guys, this is Wasabi's interface. Let's click enter. No assets found, no problem. So guys, you could see an icon at the top left of our screen. Let's click the icon right here. So Wasabi currently supports 5 chains. The first logo from the right is Berachain, followed by Chain, then Blast, Ethereum, and Solana. Below the logos, we have trade, earn, and rewards. Once you click trade right here, you get to swap one asset for another. Let's say you have a car and I have a robot, for instance. We both can trade at the exact same time, so no one gets tricked. While under earn, you earn from locking your assets. Other people borrow or use those coins and you get a tiny bit extra back as a reward. While under rewards, you earn extra goodies for doing certain actions on the protocol. When you trade, earn, provide liquidity, or help the network, you get rewarded with bonus tokens. Okay, guys? So it's just like the protocol's way of saying thanks for participating. Now let's close this interface and head back to the home page. On our screen below our search vaults, we could see stablecoins, majors, xstocks, runes, and other categories. So all you have to do is just click on the category you wish to trade and just proceed with your trade. Under that, we have vaults. The first vault is USDC Vaults. In case you don't know what a vault is, they are special places in the protocol where you keep your assets. So this particular vault has an annual percentage yield, which is the API of 14.81%, with a TVL, total value locked, of 9.14 million. That is the amount of money or assets users have deposited into this vault. Higher TVL means more trust plus more liquidity, while the utilization is 82.7%. So this shows how much of the vault's liquidity is being borrowed, staked, or deployed. Okay, so high utilization means high demand and vice versa, guys. That's Wasabi Protocol in a nutshell, guys. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.